Here is a video of Alvin Bragg. He is the New York District Attorney, and this is him going to his car, not answering questions as to why no bail was requested for the migrants who ganged up and attacked two NYPD officers right in the middle of Times Square. We do have more information on the individuals. And by the way, when I say migrants, I mean these are people that came into our country unlawfully and they are waiting on a court case for their asylum claim. They're claiming asylum to be adjudicated. So we don't even know if they have a legitimate asylum claim or not. We do know, however, that several of these guys have already been in trouble with the law several times, whether it's being aggressive to security, robbing, things of that. One person in particular was in trouble just minutes before they encountered these NYPD officers. Anyway, let's look at Alvin Bragg going to his car, not answering questions why bail wasn't requested.
Released. Why were those first migrants released?
Hey Brad, can you respond to those who say that this looks like a kangaroo court?
Just give us one statement, one comment.
Mr. Bragg, do you regret it? Do you regret letting these migrants free, sir? Can you give us one comment, sir? Why? Sir, you're on behalf of the people. Can you just comment on the situation?
Many people are saying this is just the perfect crossroads of all of these policies. You have sanctuary cities in play, you have an open border in play, you have zero cash bail in play, you have soft on crime policies in play, all of these things, and many people are saying this situation is a failure. But let's look at zero cash bail for 1 second, because we were actually talking about this earlier this week with Taylor Swift, because she had a guy who was caught outside of her home 2 times within 3 days. He also was released without bail. So this was a topic of conversation even earlier this week for people that normally wouldn't be talking about such a thing. So under zero cash bail, if your offense had any sort of physical harm, any sort of violence, you are not supposed to be eligible for zero cash bail. So the fact that especially in this case it wasn't requested is very odd. Also, the reason that you have bail in the first place are for people that are a flight risk, for people that you think might not show up at court. And the reason you want people out is because you'll say, well, this person has a job, this person has children, this person has a family or obligations that they take care of in the community, so they should be out in the community. But here you have these individuals who they don't have home, they're staying in shelters, they don't have jobs, they don't have anything that they're necessarily right now contributing to the community. So that even again begs the question as to why they were released, because they don't even meet the criteria for someone who you would argue would benefit for a zero cash bail. And I'm of the idea as well that no one should be sitting in jail for a minor offense just because they don't have a few $100 to their name, obviously. But in cases where it's pretty serious like this manner, this seems like even a failure if you're a radical fan of zero cash bail. So anyway, that's what's going on. That's Alvin Bragg. The silver lining of all of this is so egregious to so many people, even leftists, what happened in this situation, especially the image. And this is going to be a historical image. I don't have it right here, but I know you've seen it. It was on the cover of the New York Post, and it was of one of the guys after he left court. He's flipping off the camera. That image is going to go down in history. So it's not a good look for the Biden administration, this one. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.